You and happy Wednesday. Let's go ahead and let's talk about what your jobs are for today. So, first things first, we are on our class homepage. Remember, it is conference week, and so with conferences, Miss Walsh is going to be meeting with parents starting at 12, and so I have that chunk of time right after our Zoom for us to go ahead and meet if you need additional support. So, if you feel stuck or you're confused on something, please reach out so that way Miss Walsh can help you, especially before that 12 o'clock time, because once 12 o'clock hits, I'm going to be pretty busy. So again, I need you guys to be flexible with me as well as patient as I try and respond to you guys as soon as I can. So it is Wednesday. I'm going to go ahead and click Wednesday. We're going to scroll down. You're going to see we have our schedule for the day. First things first, we have our comparative adjectives. Remember, with comparative adjectives, we are comparing two or more nouns. And so you're going to go ahead, you are going to click on the assignment, and you are going to see that there is a new video. This new video, I definitely recommend watching, especially if I had friends that were saying that, I don't think that that the Monday video was the most helpful. I would definitely recommend watching this one because you can see it's really going to help lay out exactly how comparative and superlative adjectives look. And then you're going to see on slide number 2, you are going to go ahead and type a comparative adjective, meaning it ends in ER. So for example, taller. If I have taller, I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to click here. I'm going to type in taller. Then I'm going to either insert a picture that I drew or a picture from the internet that matches that. And so, when you are doing a comparison, it's important you have at least 2 items in your picture. So you need to make sure, I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to go to image, search the web, and I'm going to try saying taller sibling. Or I even saw it said taller, shorter. Let's try taller, shorter, and see what pops up. That's not really helpful. So I'm going to keep looking and see if I can find anything that would be beneficial. And if not, then you know what? I'm going to just draw a picture. And so that is something to keep in mind because maybe you're not going to find something that would work. Yeah, so you can see it's just a bunch of people. And so just be really flexible with it. And so now I know, okay, I'm not really finding pictures that are going to help me. And so I'm going to go ahead and I'm just going to draw a picture. Maybe I'll draw a picture of my sister and I because I'm a little bit taller. So I'll draw a picture of her and I, and I'll insert that in there. So again, just be flexible with this assignment as well. Then we have our journal, and it is Words of Wisdom Wednesday, meaning we have a quote and we need to talk about what it means to us. So you're going to respond to the following quote in your journal. Talent wins games, but teamwork and intelligence wins championships. Oh, it got real dark in here. And so talent, again, so let me read it one more time. Michael Jordan, talent wins games, but teamwork and intelligence wins championships. So keep that in mind as you are going through and you are talking about what this quote means. What does that mean to you? What do you think Michael Jordan was trying to say when he said that? And how does it apply to your life? And so you are going to respond to that prompt. Then we have our Zoom 9 o'clock. I look forward to seeing you guys. We're going to review addition and subtraction, especially regrouping. We're going to be talking about that. Today is going to be the last day to work on your Explore research project. So you're going to go ahead and click the IB logo. If you've already finished, awesome. If you have not, please make sure that you complete that for today. Remember, you have your title slide, and then you have, excuse me, I'm still waking up. You have your 5 other slides that you are going to complete. So keep that in mind, and remember you have this video here where Miss Walsh kind of gives you directions about how she wants you to complete this assignment. Then you have your break. After your break, you're going to come back, prefix and suffix practice. Here's the YouTube link. It takes you straight there. Remember, as I say every single day, this helps you become a stronger reader. So make sure you are completing this so you guys can continue to grow on your reading skills. Then we have our making inferences review. Remember, making inferences, it refers to being able to make an assumption about what the author is trying to tell us. So the author doesn't always tell us all the details, because if they did, that wouldn't make it very interesting. They try and show rather than tell. And so you might remember when we were doing our making inferences assignments, we had some reading passages where, for example, a mom was late to her daughter's dance recital or her dance competition, and so she's waiting outside and she's saying, "Thanks a lot, Mom." Was she really thanking her? No, she was giving her attitude, right? And so the author didn't say, the daughter was giving her attitude. We know from previous experience that the daughter was giving mom attitude, right? Whenever a kid says, "Thanks a lot, Mom," when they're upset, they're giving attitude. And so that is what we're going to be reviewing this today and tomorrow. So just keep that in mind. You are going to go ahead, you are going to type your name. Then you're going to go ahead, you are going to read the passage. There's also this link right here that will go ahead and read it to you. And so just keep that in mind. You have that accessible to you.
Number 1.
Perfect. And so you're going to go ahead, you are going to respond, answer the question, and then that is when you press next. You're going to see that there are a total of 5 pages. Just keep that in mind when you are going through. You need to press this next button. Then you have a lunch, eat your lunch, and after lunch you are going to come back, you are going to do your addition and subtraction review. Go ahead, you're going to click right here. And again, as always, start by typing your name, and you are going to go through and you are going to subtract. Remember, difference is the answer to a subtraction problem. We see another subtraction problem. Here we see a visual. And so remember, you need to figure out, okay, what is this number? Remember, these are hundreds, tens, ones. Hundreds, tens, ones. And we'll review that again today. So you need to quickly tell me what is it first. You need to decide what the visual is showing you, and then you solve. And so just keep that in mind. Then you need to find the sum. Here is a word problem. Rock City School is collecting cans of food for a fundraiser. They collected 239 cans on Monday and 583 cans on Tuesday. How many cans did they collect in all? So you need to decide, is that addition or is it subtraction? And you're going to go ahead, you're going to solve that. And then after that, you have iReadyMath. You click the little link over here. It takes you to your login. You just log in, and boom, it will take you to your iReady. And once you're in your iReady, you just do 30 minutes of math, and that will be it. And then clean up, and you're done for the day. If you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, I look forward to seeing you at Zoom. All right, bye, D1.